we have talked a lot about interoperability, a feature which allows heterogeneous software systems to interact seamlessly. But how does it actually work? Consider this. We have a service written in Java, and we put our service on the web. Then we have requesters from Python and Ruby. Then we want the output from Java readable to Python and Ruby. How is that possible? Via the web. There must be an intermediary layer that handles the differences in data types between the service and the requester of languages. XML is a technology that supports structured document interchange and processing at such intermediary level. Another intermediary level is JSON, which is JavaScript object notation. Both XML and JSON are data interchange format. These are the two formats for data interchange between web service provider and the client. XML stands for eXtensible Markup Language, which I'm sure majority of you are familiar with it. Then we have JSON, which stands for JavaScript Object Notation. This is how the data looks like in both formats. We have a lot of text in the markup language, and it looks simpler in JSON. Okay, whereby they have open and closed curly brackets, and everything in between is also list in terms of lists and maps. So these formats are specified by the web service provider. At the client side, there will be libraries or functions provided to read these formats.